So the first question is this: how do you start making 5K on the side each month? The core principle that is going to help you get to that point is going to be this. You're going to want to learn how to talk about money. This is something that I think isn't talked about enough. You want to get really comfortable talking about money, a lot more comfortable than a negotiation for a salary. This is something you want to be really comfortable asking a client. What is their budget? Have they done work like this before? What do they usually spend on this? Is their business thriving? What's happening? What is the revenue? What is the profit margin? You might ask questions like that. Depends on the client, but you want to get really confident on your process with your client and knowing how to talk about money, which leads to the second part. That will teach you how to say no. Those two skill sets, talking about money and learning how to say no, are going to help you scale and grow beyond anything. Those are the two things I see people get trapped in. Those are the two things that I see people dread their careers and never grow. Those are the things that really will help you thrive. Now, I have a video, it's already published, how to make 5K on the side, keep your corporate job, how to make 5K on the side as a Squarespace designer. So you're going to want to check that out.